Alright, you guys, I am back in the at-home store. So we have like the westerny type of theme. It is a sheriff. The Sheriff Bone Daddy Go Sheriff Town. And I got little cobwebs on his boots. Little cobweb action. He is $70. I like this right here though. Wanted, dead or alive, cash award. I like that sign. You put your face through it. And this looks like fun too. Oh gosh. What? Let's see. $49.99. This skull guy is $50. Put him back. There we go. $50 for him. Then we got this big horse guy. Doesn't make noise or anything. He's $350. I feel like maybe his eyes might light up. I'm not too sure. Oh. Something over there. I thought this was making noise. Okay, down here. These are 100. They're 100? No, they're $89.99. They will be $90. Oh, we got the like maybe a chip. Or is that part of the chair? I'm not too sure. Or is that sheriff again? Wanted, dead or alive, Scully the kid. This chair is $500. I feel like you could sit on it. Okay, this one reminds me of Red Dead. At $29.99. The zombie horse. Red Dead vibes. $30. I like that. And $150 for the dead and breakfast. No vacancy. So very similar to the ones in Home Goods, but this one has the cowboy theme on it. And we got this guy right here. He is $59.99. Let's play him. The house will light up. I'm not too sure what's going off of it. Look how large.
That's huge.
It is huge. No idea on the price though. They have a saloon. You know what? When I was a kid, there used to be, I haven't been there forever, so I have no idea if they still do this. But there used to be a place, there's no price tag, called Rawhide. Like if you're in Arizona, you know Rawhide. 100? Mm-hmm. You know, it's kind of giving me like Herman, the Munsters.
Yeah.
Rawhide. Yeah, they used to do stuff like this for Halloween. I'm not too sure if they do it anymore, but they would have like the saloon and decorate it all creepy.
They were so good when they were in Scottsdale. They were amazing. And even Alice Cooper would have a haunted house out there. Didn't Rob Zombie have a haunted house out there?
I think so. I don't think they do that anymore.
So cool.
$89.99. More the snake.
Ghost Riders on the Sky Show. Those
25 RIP. And I like this portrait right here.
Now it's tiny. It's in
15. I'm not too sure how much this one is. And 55 for Saloon. And that's kind of cool. Let me walk back up to the front. Oh. That's a cool one. For $29.99. 17 on top for the leg. And your owl. Your owl is $8.99. More of these snakes. Got the boot. These are 15.
To the grave.
I feel like no matter where you go, they're always the same thing. And I like this sign right here, the wooden one. That's 50. The pumpkin guy on the swing. 50. And this witchy lady. I think this one kept going off. I think it might light up. She is $20. And then they do have the ghost for 20. And here's another ghost right here. It looks like this might make noise. I'm not too sure. That's 20. No, the swinging ghost is 20. And the at home, they have buckets. These are kind of cool. These are 8, and your pumpkin. $100 for the haunted house. Happy Halloween is $150. And we have the minion, Dave, for $35. $35 for Snoopy, and then $50 here. $25 for the pumpkins. They do light up. We have these little candles. They're 10 feet total length. These are 15. More ghosts, and these are gonna light up too. I don't think they make any noise or anything. Yeah, they're not like the Home Depot and Lowe's where they make noise. They're 25. And then the ghosts. Okay, and the blow mold. So this guy is going to be 100,
That's cool.
120. The archway is 120.
I don't know why I like this one.
This one's
It's
400.
like
It is kind of cool, right? I don't have little children. The one in the ghost car is 100. That's kind of cool. They have free local delivery. Hey, that's kind of cool. 180. The train is 180. So 180 for the porch angel. And of course, your pumpkin. How much are you, pumpkin man? See if we can find a price on him. I think he might be like 40, yeah. Okay, $40. And you know what? We have the spooky bench. That bench is $200 actually. And I feel like there's ghosts. Is it the same? No. I'm pretty sure this one's 40. Yep. And your skeleton guy. $40. They're all 40. Okay, you know in Home Goods they have these benches with the big skulls, and I think they're about the same price. These are 200. Yeah, weren't they about like 200 over there in Home Goods? Then a few more stuff. We have like the witches. I did do a walkthrough of this stuff like way a while ago. I will link that. So if you want to see more, if I skip over it, I will link that one at the end. We have really nice pumpkins. They could be for fall, or you could use them for Halloween too. Many sizes, 17. I love this large blue one. This house right here. You pick it up. It has a little bat. It's actually quite heavy. $40. It might turn on or make music. I think it might just light up. The black and white pumpkin. These are 10. Looks like some of these potion bottles are $5. Got a little bat on them. Man, I wish they didn't get rid of the 99-cent store. Because the 99-cent store, they would have like little potion bottles. You know, and you can find like little quirky things like that over there. The cat pillow. 25 on the beaded. Yes, I did go through that. But there was a few new stuff. The witch I liked. The trees are $12.99. I haven't seen these trees yet in Home Goods. Normally they have like the really large Martha Stewart ones that you could light up. This right here, I don't think I've seen. I don't see a price on it, but it does look like it does light up on your pump. 15. You have a pinky vibe on the cobweb. $29.99 on the table runner. If you're looking for a placemat, this is $12.99. It's pink. This is the chip and dip witch one. 25. 35. They don't glow in the dark. You know what I don't see yet here? Hopefully I'm not speaking too soon. You know how they normally have like Charlie Brown, Jack and Sally, all that fun stuff? I don't see that out yet. funny. $12.99 for one. 10. I like the pumpkin one. I feel like I always like the pumpkin. The mug. It better be 5. The 7. There's more here. These are 7. Table runner. The pumpkin table runner is actually quite cute. And I like the little beaded eyes. Let me find out. What's here? Very like the original, like orange and black. Seems to be my vibe. 22. Oh, or bats. Lace and bat. But look at this. Oh my gosh. Why can't I put that on? $8. This is cute too. More bone daddies. This could go on the stairs if you want one, or make a DIY Halloween wreath. Oh gosh, I can't reach. 20 bucks. Salem. And they have the black one. So I wonder if these are all 22s. The bats on, that's kind of cool. Let me pick this one up. This would look really, I like it white, but I feel like if it had a little bit of color, it might look cool too.
Yeah.
This is 20? Yeah. 20. $12.99. $12.99. Oh, those are lovely. Lovely. And then more pillows. Okay, this one is pretty cool too. These are 25. $29.99. Oh, the toad. The toad with the wings. That is 80. And like this mossy stuff, which I think is really cool. These branches. I feel like this is perfect for a mantle. If you're doing some type of like witchy potion theme, I feel like this would be perfect. Like, I love it. $29.99. And I kind of like that too. Oh, look at all this stuff. Ooh, that's cool looking. Eek. Oh, it's like cotton. Oh, okay. It's not plastic. The cobwebs. Oh, my worst fear right here. 8-legged freaks. $40. Ugh. Yuck. $40 and roses. And you guys know the pumpkins. We continued. Oh no. They had all the new stuff out. Okay. Garland, spooky. I bet you if you look right now online, Halloween radio is going on. $2.99 for those ghost pics. That's kind of funny. There's little bat ones. Those are funny too. There's one with a cat. You know what this reminds me of? Count Drac. You know when he's singing his song, Batty, 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 or whatever, and then the bats, if I could pull it out, and then the bats are just like flying around. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Come on, you know. The Count. Okay, on this side, 100. I kind of like that. I like that. This pumpkin, 25. And I know everyone's store is different. This store I'm in, normally they put this stuff out late. $29.99 on the ghost with the pumpkin. It will light up. These are quite heavy. $40. This pumpkin will be $40. And then we have that house with the ghost. The cat. We have Salem here. He's sporty. He's kind of cute. Ooh, look at this one. Pumpkin vanilla birch, 20. Yeah, it kind of smells like it. Very, very light scented. Even though it's open, you can't smell it. That's kind of cool up there. Tic-tac-toe we've seen. Boo. And I don't see a lot of gargoyle stuff. It looks like they're putting out tons of candles in my location. We have a few doggies over here. You can find a lot of doggy decor at Home Goods. The severed head is still around. This guy's always been here no matter what. They used to have quite a bit. I have like old videos of the at-home store from like 8 years ago. They used to have more animatronics. And I think they're hidden on YouTube. You just have to like search like at-home store, Ray's World. And it should come up with like a list of like the old videos. I have tons of Party City old videos. But you know what I noticed? They're not out there. They get hidden on YouTube. I would feel like people want to see what like Party City used to look like. My kids were like 10 at that time. 20 bucks here, seasonal storage bag. That's cute. This one's kind of cool. It's only 20. That'd be kind of cool if it did light up though. You have the eyeballs. They're back for 8. Feed me. That's cool. But it doesn't move. I kind of wish it moved. Maybe if you unhinge it a little bit. Good Witch, Bad Witch, Halloween. Let me see. 20 bucks for that. $20. We have Welcome. Like the haunted house one. That's cute. Whoa, okay. And then here we go on this side. Don't want to film her. Everything looks the same. Oh, look at this bat one. It does light up. For $25. I like that bat one. The gargoyle. You know how to dream about a gargoyle? I don't know what I was doing. I woke up because I was like coughing. But okay, I was like in a muddy lake. And it looked like this, but with horns. Were a lot longer. He had horns. And I was telling him, I was like in a muddy lake. This guy was made out of mud. He spun out of the lake. He's just spinning around. He was mud. He said something to me, and then he spinned around and went back in the water, and I woke up. Bird. Whatever. But you know how people try to look up their dreams? It just means like protection and stuff. Like, I'm protected. I don't know. But I was like, why was I in muddy water? Better watch my surroundings, 15. It was just a weird dream. Okay. These skulls. Ooh, they even have like the cookie jar too. That's kind of cool. $29.99. The 2-tier tray. That's kind of cool too. Okay, I'm just gonna do some scanning. Again, I'll link the first video because I did do a video on this. Oh yeah, it does light up. Alright, you guys, I believe that is it for Halloween. Anything new? Most of the new stuff was the stuff up front, the inflatables, because last time they didn't have them out yet. But I will be back. It will be back. Alright, you guys, please give this video a thumbs up for me, and I will see all of you in the next one. 150.